I just wanted to show you a quick demonstration on how to make a tiny little bow for any craft that you may have, whether it's card making, scrapbooking, hair bows. I'm basically showing you for a bow that I'm going to make in another video, so you've got it pre-made and under your belt before we get to that bow. So you're going to need some thin grosgrain ribbon. This is 1/2 centimetre thick, and a fork. You can use your 4 fingers, but it will be a bit bigger, the bow. Place the ribbon halfway up the fork prongs and then go around the back. You're holding that on with your thumb. Once you've gone around the back, you hold that bit with your thumb as well. You take the ribbon and put it through the centre prong of the fork and pull slightly out, leaving a little gap, a little loop, and then bring that ribbon through the middle prong at the top and then loop it so it goes through that loop there. Once it's out the other side, pull quite tight, and that's the bow done. You basically pop it off, turn it over, and you've got that cute little bow. Now I tend to just trim the tails off at an angle like so, and then using that lighter again, just sealing the edge so you don't fray. And that is literally how you make that tiny little bow for scrapbooking, bow making or card making. This I'm going to use for a bow tutorial that I'm going to do later. Thank you again for watching.